Hi everyone, it's Joshua Ryder, and today I'm so excited to tell you about a brand new feature that we're rolling out to everybody that has a value add-on membership site. We have just finished our brand new payment plan builder for Stripe users. So if you're using Stripe to accept payments, your world just got a whole lot better because we're giving you a whole bunch of advanced options. We've been working on this for quite a while now. It was pretty complicated, and we actually had to get access to private APIs to make this happen. We contacted Stripe and got access to APIs that are not even publicly available to code this out and to deliver this new function that people have been asking for. So what this does is it gives you more flexibility to accept payments if you're using Stripe. And the cool thing is nobody else has this feature. Just like most of all of our other features, we've always been ahead of the curve, delivering our Facebook group feature, our user completion tracking, our self-hosted platform, being in the cloud. A lot of what Value Addon has been delivering over the last few years has been brand new, and we've been way ahead of everybody else. In this feature, there's no exception. So what is new and what can you do with this brand new feature? Well, people have been asking for it, and we delivered it. First thing you can do is you can do paid trials. So if you know anything about Stripe, Stripe gives you some basic plans that you can create. And out of those plans, you didn't used to be able to do paid trials. You had to do free trials. Well, with this new rollout, you can now actually charge for a trial subscription to your membership website. You can also create payment plans or installment plans, and this was a big request from a lot of our users. Everybody wanted to have more flexibility, and with Stripe using their basic APIs and their basic payment plans, you didn't used to be able to do this. So we had our tech team put their heads down. They started writing a lot of code, digging really in-depthly into the APIs. We actually had to rebuild our entire Stripe shopping cart to be able to handle this, but now you can actually create payment plans. So let's say you wanted to sell maybe $1,000 product, but instead of offering your customers the ability to pay for it up at once, you could break it into 3 payment plans of maybe $333 each over the course of 3 months, right? Well, you can do that now with these new options. You can also create recurring plans that stop. So instead of doing maybe a limited monthly subscription, you can do a subscription that is every month, but it only charges for 6 months. Or maybe you're doing a yearly that only charges for 2 years, and so on and so on. So you have a lot of new flexibility that you can do with these new features. So with that said, let me go ahead and jump into Value Addon and let me demo this live and show you how you can gain access to it. It is available in your account right now. Okay, so I'm back. I'm logged into Value Addon, and I'm on the Stripe shopping cart. We had to rebuild this entire thing almost from scratch. There was so much coding to go on to accommodate these new features, but let me show you how it works. When you log into your Stripe shopping cart, using Value Addon, and you want to create a new plan, it's just like usual. You would press create a new plan, and here's the basic plan builder with the basic options. Now, these are the options that most of our competitors or anybody that's integrated with Stripe has, but we're the only ones that have this brand new custom payment plan builder. Stripe support staff actually told us they've never seen anything this advanced before, so we're pretty proud of it. So when you click on that new option, this gives you basically a lot of new features and a lot more flexibility to create very custom payment plans for your customers. So you have to give it a plan name. Let's call this one trial price. And you have to give it a description. To save time, I'm not going to fill this out as much as you normally would. But then below this, here's where you see all the advanced options. So for the first time ever, you can do a paid trial. Now, once again, this is very unique to anybody that is integrated with Stripe, and we are the only ones that have this. So let's say you wanted to do a $1 paid trial for the length of 7 days, and then you wanted to do just go into a regular monthly subscription, right? So you define your initial price of, let's say you wanted to charge $33 a month. And we're going to put 1 here. I'm going to change this to month. So right now they would get charged $1 for the first week, and then $33 for their next month. And then the recurring price would be another $33 every month. And if this is all we did right now, and we hit save this plan, basically what that just created us is a $1 a week trial that would be billed after that week, $33 every month thereafter. All right, that's pretty cool, but what else can you do? Well, let's go ahead and create a new plan. Once again, we're going to use this brand new link that is showing up in your account right now. You can get access to this right now. And let's go ahead and let's do a payment plan. Okay, so we'll call this payment plan, put in your description there. And this time, we're not going to do a trial price. Trial price is optional, but let's say we wanted to create a trial or a payment plan of, let's say this is going to be $25 every month. And it's going to renew at $25 every month, but this time it's going to stop at 5 months. So what we just did now is if you add up the recurring duration plus the initial price, basically the customer is going to get charged $25 for the next 6 months, and then after the 6 months it's going to stop and they're going to still have access to your membership site. So this is a way to create payment plans. So let's hit save, and now we just have that brand new payment plan. Now if we go back and we create a new plan, we're going to use the new custom plan builder again. Now we can do things like a trial and a payment plan. So let's do a trial plus payment plan. Put in your description here. So let's turn on the trial. For this example, let's just go ahead and make something up. Let's charge them $7 for the first month. Okay, that's their trial price. And then the initial price is going to be $100 for their first year. Okay, and then it's going to renew at $37 every month, unlimited. So see how flexible we're getting here and how much detailed we can now create these plans. If we hit save plan, now we have it. So you can do a lot with this new feature. You guys have been asking for it. It's taken us a few months to actually rebuild our shopping cart, program all these new options in here. Nothing with your new plans has changed. You just have the ability to create these new, what we call flex pay plans. Trial prices, payment plans, and you can get really creative and you can do a lot of cool stuff. So let us know. Go ahead and start using these plans right now. Please comment on this video. Let us know what you're looking forward to see next. I'm going to send you an email here pretty soon with a new feature that we're rolling out called our in-store upsells. Can't tell you much about it now, but it's coming very, very soon. We've already been testing it out, and that's going to be the next feature that we're going to roll out very soon. So just wanted to showcase this feature. Glad to hear your feedback. Let us know what you think.